Hello keyframe lovers! Welcome to a new chapter of our quick tutorial section. Okay, you have a layered design in Adobe Photoshop and you want to import it into Adobe After Effects. The process is very simple. From After Effects, you go to File, Import, File. Select the desired file and choose Composition, Retain Layer Sizes in the Import As option. When you do this, a pop-up message appears giving us the choice between editable layer style or merge layer styles. In case you have not applied layer styles in Photoshop, I recommend that you choose the second option, Merge Layer Styles, since it allows us to render faster. Importing it creates a composition and a folder containing the layers you imported. If you double-click on the composition, you now have the design separated by layers and ready to be animated. Subscribe to our channel and look at our animation courses in the description.